everyone, it's LaSalle from Rally Innovations. I'm here with our 2017 Subaru Crosstrek in my favorite color, quartz blue pearl. We're going to show you how we build our Overland type vehicles in a progression that suits your budget. So at any time during the series, feel free to stop or keep going until you build your ultimate Trek. Today, we're installing our Rally light bar with our Baja Designs XL-R Sport light package. And now we're ready to do the install. All of our components are powder-coated textured black to give it a protective finish against the outdoor elements and nicely complement a rugged Overland look. Each bar is designed to contour your specific vehicle as a fairly simple bolt-on application. We've done the engineering on all of our bars so that you can have the confidence to install it at your own convenience on your driveway or garage with simple tools. So now I'm going to hand it over to Jason to install the lights and to do some field testing.
Hi, Jason here from Rally Innovations. I'm the official field tester for the Overland build of the 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. I've been tasked with giving you honest feedback on how each of the upgrades will perform on your car on and off the road. Now that we have the Rally light bar on, let's install the Baja Designs XL-R Sport lights. For our build today, we chose the XL-R Sport driving combo lens. If you take a close look at the bracket, we went ahead and powder coated it black. Normally it comes this color, just to match our look and feel of our build. When installing the Baja Design lights, we want to make sure that we use the hardware that was included with the Rally Innovations Rally light bar versus the Baja Designs hardware kit. Okay, time to install the lights. As you put everything together, make sure that you have the bolts in this orientation. Then what we'll do is we'll put that same bolt through the bar, through and through. Just like that. We'll use the washer and nut provided. And then we could use a 9/16 wrench to tighten it down. So next, we'll want to wire the lights to the wire harness. What we recommend and what we did for our project is we used the Baja Designs supplied wiring harness, and that's what we recommend you do as well. Okay, let's take a look at the install. Between the upper and lower support brace, you've got a nice rigid connection to the vehicle, along with a low position mount of the light of your choice. One thing to remember is that the rally light bar is made to mount lights and not as a bash bar or a towing point. So the install requires no drilling, minimal cutting of your under panel splash guard, and can be installed in about 1 hour. All right, so we are back to our little test lot where we are going to test what the difference of adding the Rally Innovations light bar and the Baja Designs XL-R Sport driving lens combo lights do for our light pattern. First, we'll start off with the headlights. We'll add the fog lights, and then we'll add the driving lights. What you'll notice specifically in the far distance is that it really fills in that gap. So essentially, this is a low mounted high beam that allows you to really push through your view further and further out into the distance to pick up things out there that you may not pick up with just your headlights alone. We'll take out the driving lights, the fog lights, and the headlights. All right, now we're on the outside of the car to give you a view of what the car looks like in oncoming traffic. First, we'll put on the headlights. Then we'll add the fog lights. And then the driving lights. We'll take away the driving lights, the fog lights, and you're left with just the headlights.